Hi, it's Quintina Love. I'm here with my new lashes, and I'm going to show you how to apply these quickly and easily. Okay, I have the selfie style. I really like these because they're really dramatic, and I think that they really enhance the eyes, the shape of the eyes really well. Especially if you have almond-shaped eyes, the selfie lashes are going to be cute, real cute. Okay, so just want to explain why these lashes are different from your regular strip lashes. Okay, these lashes are magnetized. Okay, the eyeliner is magnetized. There was a different type of magnetic lashes that you had to apply on the top and the bottom, and they magnetized to each other, kind of sandwiches. What it did was sandwich your eyelash, your natural lashes, in between the magnetized lashes. Well, this is different because it's only one strip, and then the eyeliner is what makes it stick. So you apply 2 coats of the eyeliner, and then you let it dry completely and apply the lashes. Now, another way this is different than glue is that just like I said, it goes on dry. So you let it completely dry. Secondly, it doesn't go on your lashes at all. You apply it to your lash line and you get it as close to your eyelashes as possible. So the third thing is it doesn't leave any residue because you're not putting it on your lashes. You're putting it just on your lash line. So it's going to come right off when you remove it. And there's not going to be any leftover lash eyeliner. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to put this on. Now, to apply your magnetic eyeliner and eyelashes, all you need are your lashes, your eyeliner, and your applicator if you choose to use that. Okay, so the trick to doing this to get it to stick from edge to edge is to make sure you get it all the way in the corner. So you have to apply it in the inner corner and make sure it's on the outer corner so that the magnets on the ends of the lash will have something to stick to. You don't want that to be hanging off. Now that's the trick, is to make sure it's on the outer corner, and you want to put 2 coats letting it dry in between each coat. So here I am applying it to my left eye. I applied it to my left eye, and so I left that alone, and now I'm applying it to the right eye, making sure I get it all the way in the corner. So while I'm applying it to my right eye, my left eye is drying. So allowing that to dry for at least 30 seconds, and then I can go back to it and do the second coat. Now, I haven't done this in a while, and I've always had a problem with working with liquid liner, but with anything it takes practice. So the more you do it, the better you get at it. Notice I'm resting my wrist on my face so that I can steady my hand and not mess up. Just trying to make the straight line and make it look clean. And this takes practice to do this, perfectly. And nothing's ever perfect, but the more you do it, the better you get. So I'm always trying to get better at doing things, but I made this quick video to show you how to put it on. Although I haven't actually done this in a while, just to be completely transparent, I haven't done this in a while, so it's not a perfect application. Okay. Now, one of the mistakes that people make is to try to clean off the brush on the tip of the bottle, but you do not want to do that because it will clump up. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the lash. So you see how I am just letting it magnetize on the inner corner. You start at the inner corner and then you just move your way across until you get to the other side. And then you kind of just push it in the middle just to make sure that the middle magnets are magnetized to your lid. And it's sticking. So yeah, I just pull the lashes down a little bit just to make sure it's sticking. Again, starting at the inner corner and then moving it across. So yeah, it may take a little time when you first start doing it, but the more you get used to it, the faster it'll be. You'll get used to it and you'll be able to do it in less than 5 minutes. So I have to style my hair, you know, to do the finished look and everything. I've had my hair braided up for a few days. I shampooed it and braided it up to give it that crinkly look. So, you know, when you get yourself all made up, you gotta get your hair right. So I had to style my hair to give it, to see the complete look finished. Basically, this is the finished look. Tell me what you think. Leave a comment. Oh yeah, I'm pulling it down so you can see that it's stuck. It's stuck on. Stuck on. Very nicely. So if you want to place an order, visit my online store. Just click on the link below the video and order your lashes. So I decided to go ahead and put my glasses on because I know a common complaint when wearing lashes is that your glasses touch your lashes. And the good thing about these lashes are that this style is dramatic and long, so they do touch your glasses a little bit. But if you don't want that, then there are more natural styles that you can order that won't touch your glasses. So keep that in mind. Thanks for watching.